Oh my god. Oh, I got one. I got one. It's not a bad fish. Oh, he's going around the corner. Yeah, get it.
This thing makes my hat look huge. Hey, welcome back to another Dye Media adventure. Today we are going on the creek. Kind of want to talk about a little bit about where this channel is going to be headed the next couple months, and why you should obviously keep up and subscribe. First of all, I need some motivation. Lifeblood. Sweet. Got this. I'm gonna take the paddleboard out today. I'm gonna film more fly content, so paddleboard loaded up with Sabi already here. Go on 200,000 miles. Still looks awesome. Yo, Sabi. I think the #1 difference in my channel than most channels you'll watch for fishing is my channel is definitely not just fishing. It's going to be a lot of good stuff, including surfing, skimboarding, obviously fishing, fly fishing, paddleboarding, boating, exploring, shark's tooth finding, all good things, all good entertaining things. Another aspect of my channel is that it's going to be kind of centralized around Charleston living. You know, aside from 50 million people moving here every year, kind of the fun things to do in Charleston. I know a lot of people, and I work with a lot of people that kind of don't take advantage of our natural resources and what's all around us, and almost kind of gear some of these videos towards you guys. Third reason, film is what I do. I went to College of Charleston for media management. Shortly after College of Charleston, I went to Trident Technical College for film production. Really love being kind of behind the camera, but also in front of the camera. So I think there's going to be a fine balance between surfing and fishing and kind of water life in general. In that if the surf's good, being a Charlestonian, I kind of have to prioritize surf. We have a couple good breaks here. We just don't get swell very often. So for that reason, gotta kind of take advantage of it when we have it. Fishing definitely has its ups and downs, but for the most part, it's pretty consistent around here in all tide ranges. We are pulling up at the spot, so I guess let's get into today's video. Today, basically targeting inshore saltwater species, flounder, redfish, trout, with the priority on redfish. I'm gonna put this camera away. I'm gonna turn the old GoPro on, and let's get going. Let's get some fish.
Oh yeah, there's bait popping over there. What do y'all want today? Shit popping left and right, dude. I mean, it's flowing pretty good too. All right, last cast. let that shit sink. Yes, I do. I'm not either. I was gonna throw the other rod, see if they wanted some bait. Little did I know this cast would be the one. Why are you trying to hook me up? Ah! Oh my god. Oh, I got one. I got one. It's not a bad fish. Oh, he's going around the corner. Oh my god, it's a good one. The GoPro's on. Here. Is it? Yeah, get it. You just gotta let him do, here. Get my. You do what you do. Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh, it's a code. Oh my god.
So excited, I forgot to hit record. Dude, that thing took off around the front. First cast, and it sat on the water for 2 seconds. And it produced. Look at that red. Woo!
It's big one.
Wait,
Fuck yeah. Don't do it near that.
beautiful fish.
Well, that makes me happy as f. Oh my man. Dude. Alright, let's get back in there. It's just like epic scenery. Pouring down rain after I caught that fish. Dude. Put her there. Sick little sesh. Was not expecting that. About to go home empty-handed and then gotta be thankful.